So in project number 4, we're going to talk about this project that I've called 9A's. You can call it AAA, 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 or make it sound like a scream, if you wanted to. But what we're going to talk about is how we make this from scratch. Now, we're going to use a very similar technique to what we did in the last project, 0101. Now, in 0101, we took a sample and made a graphic of 01 and kind of stretched it in 2 different ways. So we can see here that we're using this sine wave to make it smaller and larger. In 9A's, we're going to use a very similar technique to kind of split this A up into lots of different ways. So instead of this stretching, we're going to take different samples of different areas and move them around. Now, a lot of this kind of typography is used in places like Dia. So Dia are an agency that do a lot of things around typography. So we've taken a lot of inspiration from them. So their work on Squarespace is really amazing. They've done a lot of things for things like Primary as well. And they're just really, really great agency. We've also taken inspiration from people like Tim Roderbroker, who's done these programming posters as well. You can see here that there's a lot of similar techniques going on in here, and we want to show you how this stuff is made. And also people like Zach Lieberman, who does a lot of stuff around creative coding in general too. So all these kind of people and all these kind of agencies work in this kind of kinetic type fashion. We want to show you how this stuff works from scratch. Now we're going to use a very similar technique to what we did here. It will look very, very similar in our final code. Few changes, of course, but what we've got is this kind of slicing up of text. We're making it move, we're making it change, and we're making it kinetic.